Okay, good evening. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm making pot roast and some rice with some spinach and some cabbage. It's gonna be delicious. Just you watch. This is my video vlog, so check it out, people. See, I got my onions. I got everything ready. My potatoes. And also my carrots. And let's see, I'm thinking I was gonna use these, but then my applesauce that I seen spinach, I might cook that. Yeah, so I got all my seasoning and everything ready, so I think I'm gonna cook it with the spinach. Okay, so I guess that's what I'm gonna do. There goes the pot roast. Look at that. Nice, huh? Then of course I'm going to add my carrots and my tomatoes and my potatoes and all the rest of the ingredients in there. I've already seasoned it up, as you can see. Now as you can see, I'm well stacked. I'm gonna add my rice. Add me my bag of rice. That's what I'm going to be cooking. And now I've got the onions and I've got the potatoes and I got the garlic. Everything is in except the carrot. Okay, see, look at that. Very nice. Okay, and I also got the cabbage and I got the rice is on. Okay, so everything is set. I'm just scraping the carrots, and then I'm gonna I'm cutting up the carrots and get ready to put them inside. You see, they're ready to roll. I'm cut them up right now. You can cut them small if you want. You can cut them the regular way, but me, I just wanted to cut them the regular way. Now that I got all the ingredients and all of the seasoning and the potatoes and the carrots and the garlic, everything is now getting ready to simmer right about now. It's looking so good. Now I'm about to put the cover on it and let it simmer. The rice is coming along pretty good. Just a few more, 45 to 10 more minutes. Now, last but not least, my spinach. I'm going to put my spinach on. I'm going to add a little seasoning to it. Freshen it up a little bit. Okay, put my seasoning in there. Mrs. Dash. Okay. Okay. Just take a look at that. That is so beautiful, isn't it? Yes. Now that's what I called a beautiful hot meal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me some likes. Goodbye. See you next time.